When you're doing embroidery or some other kind of hand stitching, have you ever had it where no matter how you try, it seems like your thread is not going into the needle? I have a little tip that will help you with that. My name is Elizabeth, and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, embroidery, and embroidery. So there are a bunch of little tips for threading a needle, and I have a whole nother video that has detail how to thread a needle. But sometimes when you're trying to thread a needle, it just seems like the thread is not going through the needle. Well, one quick and easy thing you can try is turn your needle around and try threading it from the other side. And sometimes that will just make it easier to do. Sometimes in needle manufacturing, they're just punched a certain way, so there is one side of the eye that is a lot easier to thread than the other side. So next time you're having trouble getting your thread onto your needle, just try flipping your needle over and see if that makes a difference. For more embroidery tutorials and quick tips, check out my website, epidastudio.com.